How to fix TikTok's trick feature not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application to make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of TikTok application. So we're going to go back and also make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, make a long press on TikTok application and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on that and you can delete all data if it's possible, and if not, then you can just clear the cache. So here I'm not going to delete all data. So I'm going to go back and go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. So after that, you can just make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might as well fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.